The 306 horsepower 4-cylinder turbo engine in the new Mini John Cooper Works Clubman and the new Mini John Cooper Works Countryman both display outstanding performance in the compact premium segment. In both models, the extraordinarily powerful engine is combined as standard with a new 8-speed Steptronic sports transmission, including mechanical differential lock on the front axle, an all-4 all-wheel drive system, a specifically engineered chassis, and additional reinforcement modifications for the body structure, engine connection and chassis fastenings. Maximum torque has increased by 100 Nm to 450 Nm, and acceleration performance has also risen commensurately. The new Mini John Cooper Works Clubman turns in an acceleration of 0 to 100 km/h in 4.9 seconds, with the new Mini John Cooper Works Countryman achieving the same in 5.1 seconds. The transverse-mounted front engine in both of these extreme sport vehicles transmits its phenomenal power to the 8-speed Steptronic sports transmission, another new development. The latest generation of the transmission displays enhanced internal efficiency and an extended steering axis inclination. This means lower engine speeds when driving in a higher gear, which translates to lower fuel consumption. A new transmission control increases both the gear shift dynamics and driving comfort. Gear shifting and acoustic comfort have also been further optimized. The all-4 all-wheel drive system plays a central role in optimizing the car's traction, agility and driving stability. It is part of the standard equipment of the new Mini John Cooper Works Clubman and the new Mini John Cooper Works Countryman and was comprehensively redeveloped for the new edition of both models. The compact and weight-optimized all-wheel drive consists of a power takeoff on the front axle transmission, a 2-section propeller shaft, and rear axle transmission with an electro-hydraulically regulated hang-on clutch. The intelligent controller of the all-4 system is interconnected with the DSC dynamic stability control and constantly calculates the ideal power distribution ratio between the front and rear wheels. In normal driving conditions with the DSC activated, it transmits the drive torque in the brand-typical manner to the front wheels. This allows the engine power to be converted into forward propulsion with maximum efficiency. But if the DSC controller detects a danger of slip on the front wheels, within a fraction of a second, the hang-on clutch will transfer the drive torque to the rear wheels with the aid of an electro-hydraulic pump. At the same time as the engine was undergoing further development, the chassis technology of the new Mini John Cooper Works Clubman and the new Mini John Cooper Works Countryman was being enhanced to a new level of performance. The model-specific versions of the single-joint spring strut type axle for the front wheel and the multi-joint rear axle were optimized in terms of their component rigidity, kinematics and weight, to create a thrilling racing sensation from the amazingly high drive output. Newly designed swivel bearings enable improved camber values on the front wheels. Also thanks to the specific rear axle kinematics, this meant that it was possible to improve the potential for transmitting lateral guide forces in dynamic bends. The long wheelbase, large track width and low center of gravity that both models display are ideal for a chassis design and tuning aimed at consistent sports performance. In addition, the systematic reinforcement of the body structure and extremely taut chassis connections in the new Mini John Cooper Works Clubman and the new Mini John Cooper Works Countryman ensure maximum driving precision. Both models possess a newly developed precision strut for the engine compartment, which connects the right and left spring strut domes. The bracing of the front end is provided by specific aero struts and a dome bulkhead strut in the undercarriage. Other model-specific accentuations in the exterior include the optional contrast paintwork in red for the roof and the mirror caps, an individual design for the side scuttles by the additional indicators, and the John Cooper Works logo in the radiator grille and tailgate. The central air inlet of both models has a honeycomb pattern structure. The inlet of the Mini John Cooper Works Countryman also has a red surround. A red cross member subdivides the newly designed radiator grille of the new Mini John Cooper Works Clubman. Its headlamps, rear lights and rear apron also display the new design of the latest model revision for the Mini Clubman.